What's up, YouTube? How are you today? It's me, Christine. I'm going to do a little unboxing. I mean, I took it already out of the box now and show you what I got. And well, I'm going to do this pretty quickly. And then I'm going to do a face mask and then maybe do a look. I hope that the fan isn't bothering you and all the birds and everything, but it's really hot and I had to put the fan on. I couldn't take it anymore. As you can see, my gray hair is just still coming in. It's almost grown out. It's been over a year. February 13th, 2020 is the last time I dyed my hair. So, alright, I'm going to put this face mask on. I got this cute little thing that you put your mask on. I got it in it was an extra thing in my bag from Amazon. I ordered my mom some pants and stuff. It came in. And I'm using the, I think you pronounce it Burlesque. The Matcha Green Tea Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put the mask on. And then I'll show you what I got. I ordered some stuff from Colourpop. And I got the Animal Crossing set from Colourpop, which is new to me. I know it's been out for a while. And I do love Animal Crossing. I play all the time. Maybe I'll put my dream address down in the comments section. And you guys can go check out my Animal Crossing. It's on the, I'm playing the New Horizons on the Nintendo Switch. I'm kind of a latecomer for that because when the pandemic first hit, I had saved the money up to get the Nintendo Switch. And we went on lockdown. And my husband was out. He couldn't work. And he started panicking. So I used the money that I had saved up for my Animal Crossing. Or the Nintendo Switch. And paid his part of the bills and kept us afloat. Because I'm a saver, he's a spender. But, I mean, who knew? Who knew this was going to, you know, who knew the whole thing was going to happen? So anyway, I was a latecomer to Animal Crossing because, I mean, those Switches, man, they sold quick. They weren't kept, they just sold very quick. So they didn't, I kept an eye on it, and whew, that's burning. And I ended up getting it in October. So, look at that discoloration I have. That's sun damage. Alright, so anyway, I did do an order from Sephora as well. So, from Sephora, I got this little Kabuki foundation brush. I unwrapped everything, took the bubble wrap off to make sure nothing was broken. Oh, okay. Oh, it's nice and soft. That's nice, I like that. It's weighted. Has a nice weight to it. And I also got LYS foundation. And I got it in MN3 is the color. Hopefully this is going to work. It looks a little yellowish, but the package is nice. Oh. It's a little runny. It's cute though. Yeah, that might be a little light for me. Well, maybe not. No, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, awesome. Alright, and also from LYS, I got the contour. And it's, I thought it was cream, but it's a powder. It's contour bronzer. It looks like that. Wait, is that the right one? It's a bronzer. And I also got a blush, and this is in I don't know what color this is. It just says Satin Matte Blush. It's this color. You can see I already touched it. I'll put it on where I put that foundation at. It seems blendable. It's a cream blush, and I'm not used to using cream blush, so I'm going to say a little goes a long way. Alright, so that's what I got from Sephora. And I bought that because I was watching, I think it was Raw Beauty Christie. She ordered the LYS stuff, and she liked it, so my hair's crazy today. That's what the humidity does to my hair. Alright, so on to Animal Crossing. I got the whole set, so this is what the palettes look like. Cute. And it's 4 of them. So the first one is the Nook ink. And it's green. It's pretty. And that's what the front looks like. And then we have 5 Star Island. There's Isabel on there. And that's what that one looks like. That's pretty, huh? I think that's cute as hell. Then we have What a Hoot. A nice neutral palette. And that's what that looks like. And then we have La Belle of the Ball. I don't know if it's La Belle, but yeah, La Belle. And that's what that looks like. It's the little hedgehogs that have the shop. And then that's what that looks like. It's purple. Okay. Alright, then we got flower. Man, I wish they would make that a little bit brighter. I cannot see that. Flower Tender. And this is a powder blush. This is the box. Oh, there we go. Looks like that. Oh, there went the plastic. That's nice. It's a nice blush. Kind of a little bit of orange to it. Pretty. And then we got another powdered blush. My neighbors are probably seeing me through the window laughing their ass off at me. But that's okay. This one's called Flower Power. Oh. It's pink. It's pretty. And then this is Bel-Air. Bel-Air. And I think it's a glitter, like a glitter topper. Oh my. Okay. And that's what that looks like. Ew. Okay, it's like wet. It's sparkly. I can dig it. I don't know if I'll ever use that. Might give that to my granddaughter. This mask is starting to tighten up. And then there's a little a balloon pop. Comes in a little box like this. This is a highlighter. I'm hoping you guys can hear me over the fan. I'll have to check it out. Sorry, we're up to 11 minutes. That's pretty. Oh, it was kind of wet. That's nice though. Could also use it as an eyeshadow topper. And then we got 3 boxes of lip tints. So the first one is called Fruit Basket. That's what that looks like. And they're lip tints. Okay, that's what that one looks like. Something like that. And I can't read what the color is. Anywhere, you can see them. Kind of almost the same. One's a little darker than the other. This one is called Just a Tint. Pick of the bunch. And one's called Coconut Juice, and one's called Incomparable, like a pear. And in that first one was Peach Surprise and Orange, or no, sorry, was Juicy Apple and Cherry Cherry. I'm gonna go with Cherry Cherry Juicy Apple. Alright, so we got coconut juice and Incomparable. They're not marked. It's not marked on there, so who knows what it is. I'm gonna go with that's probably coconut juice. And Incomparable. I thought they'd be like green. Kind of weird, huh? Third box is orange. And it's Fruity Roots. And it's Peach Surprise and Orange Cutie. So, this is Peach Surprise. And it's real light. And this one is Orange Cutie. Pretty nice. And that's it. That's what came in the set. I got it at Colourpop. I mean, it's a Colourpop product. So I'm pretty sure the shadows are going to be good because Colourpop's good. Oh, my eyes look so irritated. The pollen count is so high here. Yesterday I was outside for a long time, so I was feeling that. Alright guys, I think I'm going to let you go. I just wanted you to see what I got. So we got the Animal Crossing. Another look at the palettes. Oh, that owl's so cute. So I will let you go. Maybe later on, after it gets a little bit cooler, I'll do a look with these. Maybe I'll combine like the purple and green or do something like that. And I miss doing the videos. I mean, everything's been happening all at once. I'm just trying to get everything together. I've been having a lot of problems with my computer, and I bought a new one, and it didn't want to start up, and I was starting to get agitated. And I wasn't even going to film tonight, but it is what it is. Alright, well, like and subscribe if you like this channel. And I'm going to go wash this mask off since I feel like my face is sucked in. And I will see you later. Bye.